Welcome to the Environmental Studies lesson on land and water resources. By the end of the video, you will learn about renewable and non-renewable resources. You'll also learn about renewable water resource and non-renewable land resource. Natural resources are the treasures of our planet, essential for life and progress. They include everything from the water we drink to the soil we cultivate. However, these resources are not unlimited. Rapid population growth and increasing demand are depleting these resources at an alarming rate. It's crucial to understand their limits and use them wisely to ensure sustainability for future generations. Resources are categorized into two types: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources, like forests and water, can regenerate over time. Non-renewable resources, such as minerals and fossil fuels, once used, are gone forever. Understanding this distinction is key to managing our environmental footprint and planning for a sustainable future. Human activities like intensive agriculture, deforestation, and pollution have profound impacts on these resources. Overgrazing affects plant communities, while industrial waste deteriorates water quality. Recognizing these impacts is the first step towards responsible resource management and environmental conservation. Water, though seemingly abundant, is a limited resource. Only a small fraction is accessible for human use. Its distribution is uneven, causing scarcity in many parts of the world. Understanding the water cycle and its distribution is crucial for effective water management. Soil, the foundation of our ecosystem, is a non-renewable resource. Soil formation is a slow process, taking thousands of years. Different soils support various plant life and agricultural practices. Understanding soil types and their properties is essential for sustainable land use and agricultural practices. Solar energy, harnessed through photovoltaic cells, is abundant and clean. It has the potential to meet a significant portion of our energy needs while reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Understanding the significance of these renewable resources is the first step towards responsible resource management. Non-renewable resources are finite treasures buried deep within the Earth's crust. Fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas have powered our civilization for centuries. However, their extraction and consumption come with serious environmental consequences. These resources are exhaustible, and their depletion is irreversible. As we continue to rely on them for energy and industry, we face the challenge of finding sustainable alternatives. The limitations of non-renewable resources necessitate a shift towards cleaner and more sustainable energy sources. Mining for non-renewable minerals, such as iron and copper, has far-reaching ecological impacts, including habitat destruction and water pollution. It's crucial to explore recycling and sustainable mining practices to reduce the environmental toll of these resources. The challenges in resource management are many. Overexploitation leads to land degradation, soil erosion, and water scarcity. Balancing the need for resources with sustainable practices is key to preserving these vital assets for future generations. Conservation strategies involve sustainable use and management of resources. This includes practices like reforestation, water treatment, and adopting sustainable agricultural techniques. These efforts not only preserve resources but also enhance their quality for continued use. Sustainable practices ensure the longevity and health of our natural resources. By understanding the balance between use and regeneration, we can create a sustainable future where resources are available for all, now and in the future. And with that, we wrap up this informative lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.